Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw these cute marshmallows in some hot cocoa. And before we start, I just wanted to show you the inspiration behind this cute drawing. So over the Christmas break, I got this really cute gift card from Target, and I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. And since you loved my hot cocoa that I drew not too long ago, I thought you would love this one just as well. So let's get started on drawing these three, like I said, these three cute little marshmallows. So to start, because I'm drawing pretty big, I'm going to be using this as my circle template. And luckily I was able to find something else to draw the inner circle, some parts of it. But let's go ahead and just put this circle down for my template. And let's see about right here. Make sure it's kind of center my camera. And we're going to go ahead and just trace it. So I'm just going to go around and trace all the way. I know there's this candy cane on there. But I'm not going to leave a space. I'm just going to go ahead and draw, and I'll just erase it a little bit later. So now that I have a big circle in for the outside rim, I'm going to take this and draw the inside. So make sure I'm pretty centered, and I'll go ahead and draw this. Use this as my template to trace another circle. This is only because I'm drawing pretty big, and this is just so much easier. Okay, so now I have my two circles in, and oops, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to draw the the outer rim right here as well. I'm just going to do that freehand. So I'm going to come right here because I can't find anything else that's perfect. So I'm just going to go for it. And just notice when I'm drawing this ring right here that it's a little bit wider here and thinner on this side. So I'm just trying my best to just follow my outside circle. And definitely turn your body or your paper, whatever you need to do to help you draw this. Okay, there, all done. 3 circles in. Now we can go ahead and make it extra cute and draw in the marshmallows. And I'm going to go about right here. Well, actually, you know what? Before I do that, let's draw the handle. So I'm just going to pretend, I'm just going to look at my center, say about right here, and I'm going to radiate out these lines. So I'm going to put my handle on this side. So I'm just going to imagine it radiating out, and that will be the angle for my handle. So say about right here. And that will be my angle. So that just kind of helps you figure out the angle of this handle that you want to put in here. So I'll just go ahead and follow that and just round it off. There, now I have a handle. Okay, so now to draw in the marshmallows, I'm going to come about right here and draw in 3 of them. So they're basically just rounded off rectangles. So nice and round on the corners, come straight down, round off, straight down, and once again round off, and connect. So I got one, I'll put one more over here. So just turn your body, whatever helps. Start off with a curve at the top, round it off, come straight down, whatever angle you choose, and round it off. And one more. So on this side, about right here. Okay, there, I have my 3 main marshmallows in. Then from there, let's work on this one here. So let me make sure I'm looking at it. And this one, let's go ahead, we're gonna give it some eyes. So about right here, we're just gonna give it 2 little dots. Nice and simple little faces. And little smile right here. And then for the hands, I'm going to come right here and just put in a curve and another curve, sticking it up. And then for the feet, come right here, go up and go up. There. And then I'm going to put a big splash around it because this one just splashed in. So it's going to go right here, and I'm just going to start to go all the way around. There, however you like, it doesn't matter. And then from there, we can add some more nice splashes that come out onto the sides. And let's see here, maybe one bigger one here. Okay, so then let's work on this little guy right here. So I'm gonna come right here. And like I said, definitely turn your body if you need to. And another curve, happy little eyes, and a smile. Oh, so cute. And this one, the hands going up. And then some feet. There. Okay, and then this one right here, same exact thing. I really hope this drawing inspires you, just like the Target card inspired me. And a big smile, little tongue, hands coming down, and little feet. There. Okay, and so this one in the card, it has a candy cane, but since Christmas is over, I decided to just put in a let's just put in one of those chocolate wafer rolls or something like that. So I'm just going to put a curve right here, and I'm going to go out. So I'm just imagining this angle coming out from the center, so that helps me determine. So I'll just go about right here. And here, and about right here. I'll just go ahead and end it. Big curve and swirl in. Okay, there. And to add in some of these lines here. I know it's getting confusing, but I'm going to come in here with my whiteout pen and white this out. So if you're using a pencil, that would definitely help. You would just erase if you're using a circle template. And that is pretty much it for this cute little drawing here inspired by this little card. I really hope you love how this turned out and that inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.